chat with Dr. Darien and this health and wellness subject raising a lot of questions from one of our viewers here. Here's a question. I have this question too. Sometimes when I get up too fast, I feel faint. What can I do? That's from Natasha O.
So this is a very common symptom that many people experience. In medicine, we call this term orthostatic hypotension. Essentially, when you stand up, your blood pressure cannot keep up, and not enough blood goes to your brain. It makes you feel dizzy, and often, in some cases, for people, they faint. And so ways that you prevent this. Number one, how is your hydration doing? Are you drinking enough water? I know it sounds small and minute, but it's incredibly important in keeping that blood pressure appropriate. Also, your diet. Is there enough salt going on? Many people eliminate salt fully, which can sometimes be harmful. And then medications, for example, certain blood pressure medication can increase your risk of this. So ways to prevent it: getting up slowly, making sure you drink a lot of water, and just talking to your provider to review any medications that might increase your risk of this.
All right, let's talk about your prescription for wellness.
My prescription for wellness was inspired by a recent conversation I'm having with patients yesterday and right after this in the emergency room, probably. It's the topic of seizures. I've recently had a case where a patient came in and their family members were not sure if they were having a seizure. So I wanted to talk about exactly what seizures look like. We all know the common form, which are the generalized jerking movements of your extremities that can't be controlled. But for some, seizures can also be very, very silent, where people have temporary moments where they're confused and staring off. That can also be something called an absence seizure. And there are even seizures where people lose consciousness or have atonic loss, where they lose all their muscle control. All of these are reasons why you should get a provider, call 911, and if you see someone having a seizure, make sure you lower them down slowly to the floor, support their head, and then get help.
That's good advice there, Doc. Thank you. And folks, we'd love to hear from you, so hit us up on Instagram with all of your medical questions at ABCGMA3.
Well, hey there, GMA fans. Robin Roberts here. Thanks for checking out our YouTube channel. Lots of great stuff here. So go on, click the subscribe button right over here to get more of awesome videos and content from GMA every day, anytime. We thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the morning on GMA.